Hello kids! Welcome back to Xoratales. Today we are learning about bright colors. Bright colors are shiny, happy and fun colors. First is red. Red apple. Red heart. Red toy car. Red rose. Kids, let's find red things around us. Which one is red? Awesome! You got them all right. Let's clap for ourselves. Next is yellow. Yellow banana. Yellow baby chick. Yellow star. Yellow sunflower. Now let's find all yellow items. Which one is yellow? Awesome! You got them all right. Let's clap for ourselves. Now comes blue. Blue cap. Blue cup. Blue butterfly. Blueberry. Let's find red things around us. Which one is blue? Awesome! You got them all right. Next is green. Green is made by mixing blue plus yellow. Green leaf. Green frog. Green chili. Green turtle. Now let's find all the green items. Which one is green? Awesome! You got them all right. Great job, kids! You learned all about bright colors today. Bye-bye, little learners. See you soon.